How to fix Facebook notifications not showing. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix Facebook notifications not showing. First of all, you want to launch open your device settings, then find the option of notifications, select that. Now tap on app notifications. From this list, you want to find Facebook. Now select Facebook from here and toggle on the option that says allow notifications. Once that is done, launch open the Facebook app. Now you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Here find the option notifications, select that. Now you want to make sure that each section like comments, tag and friend request are turned on. If you're still not getting any alerts, then you want to head back over to your settings. Then tap on apps. Now find Facebook and select that. Now select battery. Here you want to make sure that you have not restricted Facebook. Tap on the unrestrict option. With this, Facebook notifications not showing error will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.